Good afternoon, all the students of ninth standard. Day before yesterday, I told you about the First World War or the Allied power and the Central powers. In the Allied power, what is that? Britain, France, America is there, Italy, and Russia. It is the Allied power group. Next, that is the opponents, opposite Central powers. In Germany there is central powers, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, and Bulgaria. Between them there was a war there. After the end of the war, League of Nations they set up, but it was not successful. It is failure that. Next point today, that is the Second World War. So the Second World War was fought between the year 1939 to the year 1945. Second World War was there. This Second World War was fought between the year 1939. It started in the year 1939 and it is ended in the year, what is that? 1945. Nearby 6 years durations or 6 years this war was fought there. It proved to be the far more destructive than the First World War. So Second World War was more destructive in comparison to the first one, that because in the Second World War they use a more advanced technology or destructive weapon they use that. So due to that, it more dangerous, horrible. Many people were killed in comparison of the first one. Not only was the it was more widespread compared to the first one. If you see that first one and Second World War, there was a lot of difference there in comparison of the first. Second one is more wider World War, but also more advanced technology they use that. And in the Second World War, they use the most advanced or the more advanced technology they use was employed in this war. That countries which took part in the Second World War once again face a situations of economic crisis. Those who were the country participated into the Second World War, or those who participated once again in the World War, these countries they had faced tremendous economic crisis in their region or respective region or the area. Lot of economical crisis, economic situation of their country was totally disturbed. It was totally collapsed, like same way in present time. You see our country's economical condition that of India in present time, it is nearby, it is collapsed that because business were totally stuck down, that lockdown everywhere. So due to that, what happened, that economical exchange was totally blocked. So that type of situation was there. So this economical crisis was not only in the losing country, those who own that war in their side also this type of situation was there. Means they own, but only for the it is a feeling for them, that is they own, but what is the benefit outcome of that war? That is nothing in their hand. They too suffered by economical losses there. So what is there? Second World War once again faced a situations of the economic crisis. Let's write some of the points are here given this about this. So what is there? The Second World War was fought between the year 1939 to the 1949, and what events were unfold in the India during this period? There, what kind of events were there at the time when India saw that Britain was participating into the Second World War? So this was the best opportunity for the Indians to get or to fight for their own independence, and they used the advantages of that, and they also rejected to join the Britishers in the or to participate in the Second World War from the Britishers side. So this was the means due to that it is give more strength or the benefits base for the Indian freedom movement. Now here countries those who involved into the Second World War, Allied power, that is Axis power, Allied power there were. Now Allied power versus here another group, that is Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China, America, Germany, Japan, Italy. These countries are from one side that, and in another side Allied power that. So Britain, France is there, Australia is there, Canada is there, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China, America, Germany, Japan, and Italy. So what is here? Germany was there into the first side, opposite side. Now second benefit they did not get of war. So this side, this time in Second World War, they participated into this European nation side. That now see what is there. Allied power, what is there in Allied power? In Allied power, what is that? Britain is there, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand is there, Soviet Union, China, and America. Now in Axis power, Germany, Japan, and Italy. Germany was into the Axis power, means opponents only that. So here also that they did not get the benefit. So what happened there? They tried to get more advanced and aggressions there. So due to that, they pulled themselves. Now German, from the German side, what is that? Hitler is there. Allied power into the democratic governments were the mostly. Britain is there, France, Australia is there, Canada, New Zealand also, or India is under the British control, Soviet Union, Russia, China, and America. Axis power, Germany, Italy, and Japan. These were the dictatorship country, that military rule was there, dictatorship. So here the aggression of military and aggression of the powers pulled themselves into the world war. Among that, Germany is also there, or Italy is also there. Germany's Hitler is a famous there. Mussolini of Italy is there. America played a major role in the Second World War. During the Second World War, America played an important or the key role in the Second World War. It had manufactures nuclear weapons. America manufactured nuclear weapon, and also they used that nuclear weapon in the Second World War against Allied Axis powers, and they dropped their nuclear weapons or the atom bombs on the Japanese two cities, that Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That is the 6th August and the 6th and 9th August 1949 respectively, and the Second World War was ended with this nuclear destructive weapon. The Second War was ended, and what is that? These countries, they surrender, defeated. They just defeated to the Germany, and this war was ended there. So what happened there? In the year 1945 to the 1991, there was a long period of Cold War there. First or Second World War was ended, Cold War was started there. Let us look up the new changes during the Cold War, that we will see afterward. Thank you.